Very happy to see you in this evening time. Really glad to have this privilege and to speak something about the things that I happen to see. So, dear friends, I really just want to say this because many of times we get different kinds of depression in our life. So just depression sometimes make us to think about different kinds of thing when we face it. So sometimes we need to have some cool decision, because when we take the emotional decision it make us to go to the destruction. We should not want to go to any destruction in our life, because we want to live with peace and with our family members and all the friends and relatives. So dear friends, when we get any depression from anyone, we must realize that that is not the ending of our life or ending of our activities or our career. It's just a point of running up. It's just a point of step to the next stair in our life. That's why when depression comes, we must think that this is the privilege and the chance to develop our life, and chance to get to the new atmosphere or new things that we are going to have in the future life. That's why we should not get any emotional decision or emotional any activities to do anything.